What if a single image could become a movie scene? No cameras, no actors, no animation skills, just one image and AI. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version, then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In Filmora, you now get a powerful feature called AI Image to Video Generator. This lets you upload any image, describe motion, choose an AI model, and turn still visuals into cinematic videos in seconds. And today, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how each AI model works, the best prompt examples, and when you should use each one. Where to find AI Image to Video? First, open Filmora. On the top panel, go to Stock Media, then AI Media, and click Image to Video. This opens Filmora's AI video generation workspace. Upload your image. Start by uploading your image. This can be AI artwork, product photos, character designs, travel photography, story visuals. Then add a motion prompt describing what should happen. Choose your AI model. Filmora currently offers multiple AI video engines. Let's break them down. Standard 3.0, perfect for everyday content. Fast generation, smooth playback, great for beginners. Here is the video generated from an image using Standard 3.0, best for travel content, lifestyle reels, basic cinematic scenes. Seedance 2.0, great for emotional storytelling and cinematic motion. Here is the video generated from an image using Seedance 2.0, best for storytelling, gaming intros, fantasy visuals. ToMovie 2.5 Pro. This focuses on stronger character movement and scene transitions. Here is the video generated from an image using ToMovie 2.5 Pro, best for human storytelling, character scenes, emotional content. Veo 3.1. This creates highly realistic motion with cinematic details. Here is the video generated from an image using Veo 3.1, best for product ads, commercial visuals, brand campaigns. Sora 2. This is designed for more advanced cinematic storytelling. Here is the video generated from an image using Sora 2, best for sci-fi scenes, concept visuals, high-end cinematic storytelling. Video settings. Before generating, choose your output settings. Resolution, 1080p, perfect for YouTube, Reels, and social content. Duration, 8 seconds. Great for cinematic loops, intros, and short-form content. Prompt tip, be specific. Instead of saying, make it move, try slow cinematic push-in, hair moving in the wind, soft sunlight, shallow depth of field. AI performs much better. Real use cases. Gaming creators can turn fantasy artwork into intro sequences. Product marketers can animate product photos into premium ads. Social media creators can turn posters or graphics into engaging reels. Travel creators can bring destination photos to life. Story creators can create visual scenes from illustrations. So next time you have just one image, don't let it stay static. With Filmora's AI Image to Video Generator, one image can become your next story. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!